It's Wednesday, September 11th, and this is Markets Daily, hosted by me, Jen Sanasie. On this show, we navigate the currents shaping the crypto markets, providing insights against the broader financial landscape. So, whether you're actively trading or simply fascinated by the volatility that is the crypto markets, this show is your compass to understanding what has happened, where we are, and where we're going. Good morning, everyone. It's not such a good morning for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto assets because they are all down along with crypto equities and crypto miners, Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital, Hut 8, MicroStrategy, Coinbase Global, all in the red this morning. So, what's influencing this downturn? Well, it's a mix of factors, but notably, one of the key drivers is the thing that everyone is talking about this morning, the debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris that happened last night. Now, the debate didn't exactly inspire confidence in the markets. Instead, it looks like it amplified investor anxieties. Now, why this reaction to the debate? Well, let's break it down. Crypto markets are highly sensitive to broader economic and political uncertainties. When significant political events happen and they don't provide clear direction or resolution, it can lead to increased volatility. Investors tend to react by moving their assets to what they perceive as safer havens like gold or, in some cases, the Japanese yen. Now, you'll remember we talked about it on this show. The yen has gained strength recently. The anti-risk asset strengthened to 140.70 per US dollar, the highest since January. You'll remember it picked up a strong bid in late July as the Bank of Japan hiked interest rates for the first time in decades, triggering an unwinding of the risk on yen carry trades. Now, how do we make sense of this market reaction? Let's take a look at some recent news. Bernstein recently predicted that Bitcoin could hit a price of $90,000 if former President Donald Trump wins the election. They also said that it could go even lower to $30,000 if Vice President Kamala Harris wins. Analysts at the research and brokerage firm wrote that Bitcoin is a quote, Trump trade, adding that the outcome of the US election could determine the destiny of the industry. Now, while I think that markets will react to who the winner of the US election is, I don't think that it's going to determine the destiny of the industry. I think that's a little dramatic. There's a lot more to getting clear regulation and policy than what a presidential candidate promises during an election run. And while AI and quantum computing were mentioned in the debate last night, neither candidate actually said anything about crypto. Bernstein analysts said that the crypto industry has received more warmth from the Trump side. You'll remember that Donald Trump showed up to the Bitcoin conference in Nashville earlier this year. He's launched several NFT projects and is said to have a DeFi project in the works. On the other hand, Kamala Harris hasn't said much about her stance on crypto, but some industry leaders have said that there have been some discussions between the Harris camp and industry leaders in an effort to better understand crypto and everything that's going on in this space. After last night's debate, Polymarket bettors, yes, I had to bring up Polymarket. I know maybe we're getting a little sick of it, but we have to take a look at Polymarket after every election related thing. It's just what we got to do. Trump and Harris are tied at a 49% chance each of winning the election, while polls have declared Harris the debate winner. As a result of this, Trump themed tokens are in the red. They dove this morning. Trump is down more than 11% at time of recording, and Trump and MAGA both down over 20%. Meme coins aside now, market corrections like these are nothing new. And like I said on yesterday's show, they can often present buying opportunities for those with a long-term perspective. So politics aside, if you're someone who believes in the future of crypto and the potential for assets like Bitcoin, it might be worth considering your strategy. Remember, the crypto market is notoriously volatile, and while today's news might seem grim, it's essential to keep an eye on the bigger picture. Political events, regulatory news, and broader economic shifts will continue to play a role in the market's behavior as they always have. So it is crucial to stay informed and keep a level head. And you can do that by watching and listening to this show. As always, do your own research and consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before making any moves, and always consult a professional. That's it for today's show. Thank you so much for watching and listening. If you love Markets Daily, subscribe to the CoinDesk podcast network that's available on all podcast platforms, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's not only Markets Daily there. We got a whole bunch of other videos to keep you updated on what's going on in the crypto ecosystem. As always, thank you for coming on this journey with me to better understand the crypto markets. We'll see you tomorrow.